Are your WhatsApp voice messages not working properly? Here's how to fix it. First, check microphone permission. Open Settings on your phone. Scroll down to the bottom and tap on Apps. Look for WhatsApp and open it. Make sure microphone is turned on. Second, turn off Bluetooth. If you are unable to listen to voice messages, they may be playing on a Bluetooth device. To fix this, open Settings and tap on Bluetooth. Next, turn off the toggle. If this doesn't work, then try the next fix. Third, restart WhatsApp. Close WhatsApp completely. Remove it from recent apps. Open WhatsApp again. Now try sending a voice message. Many times, this simple step fixes the issue. If that didn't fix it, update WhatsApp. Open App Store on your device. In the search bar, type WhatsApp and search for it. Now, select the app from the results. Update the app if available, as outdated apps may cause voice problems. If the issue persists even after updating, offload and reinstall the app. Open Settings, scroll and click on General. Now, tap on iPhone Storage. Look for the WhatsApp app and click on it. Here, first offload the app, and then reinstall WhatsApp again. Still not working? Try restarting your phone. Press and hold volume down and power button. Use the slider to power off the device. Next, press and hold the volume down and side button and wait till the device is turned on. Open WhatsApp and test again. This refreshes your system and fixes hidden bugs. And that's it. Follow for more tech tips.